to buy official Trump token on Bybit. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your research. Now before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on the MEXC, as you can see here. So go and find this token there. Now what you need to do here, just click on markets. As you can see, you will see here in the Bybit. Now click on pair here and you will be redirected directly to Bybit exchange platform to trade with that token. So just I will close this window. Click on I am aware or just close it. Now make sure to log into your account first. And what you need to do here, select the buy option. Now here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you will receive, how much you will pay, sorry, to be able to buy this token. Or you can now drag this to set the percentage that you want to buy. After that, click on buy. So if you select the market here, now just drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to buy with your USDT that you have on your account to use it to buy this token. After that, what you need to do is just click on buy Trump and you will be able to buy this token on Bybit. So this is how to buy official Trump token on Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.